Are you tired of getting up 3, 4, or 5 times a night? Does your bladder have a better social life than you at 3 a.m.? Well, fear not, because today we're diving deep into the world of Nocturia. And no, that's not some fancy new dinosaur. It's the medical term for frequent urination at night. So stay with us to the end if you want to learn how to stop frequent urination at night. So what exactly is Nocturia? It's when you have to wake up to pee more than once a night. Nearly 1 in 3 adults over 30 deal with it. Nocturia can be caused by a bunch of things, from drinking too much fluid before bed, to your body not producing enough of that stay-dry hormone, and even medical conditions like diabetes. Basically, your bladder turns into the over-eager friend that wants to leave the party early by waking you up at 2 a.m. every single night. First off, if you want to stop your bladder from constantly pinging you at night like it's sending texts at a party, you've got to make some changes. Let's start with the easiest one. 1. Limiting fluid intake before bedtime. We know drinking water is important, but there's no award for being the most hydrated person at midnight. Try to stop drinking large amounts of fluids 2 hours before bed. This way, your bladder doesn't feel like it's holding Niagara Falls. And speaking of drinks, let's talk about what you're drinking. Coffee, tea, alcohol. These are Nocturia's best friends. They're like your bladder's personal trainers, pushing it to work overtime at night. Cut these out in the evening and watch your bladder chill out. 2. Dietary modifications. Now you might love your hot wings, but guess what? So does your bladder. Spicy foods, citrus, hot sauces, and tomatoes can all irritate the bladder. It's like they're throwing a little party in there, except you're not invited, just your bladder. 3. Adjusting sleep position. Here's a trick most people don't know. Elevate your legs a few hours before bed. This helps your body reabsorb fluids that may have pooled in your legs throughout the day, so you're not suddenly having to pee it all out at night. Who knew solving Nocturia could be so comfortable? 4th, bladder training. Yes, that's a thing. You've probably heard of house training a puppy, right? Well, now we're going to house train your bladder. You can actually train your bladder to hold more urine. This is done by gradually increasing the time between bathroom breaks during the day. Start by going every 2 to 3 hours, then slowly stretch it out. Your bladder will learn to hold more and be less demanding at night. It might take some time, but hey, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a well-behaved bladder. Femte pelvic floor exercises, Kegels. Now, if you really want to get serious, Kegel exercises can help. Strengthening your pelvic floor muscles gives you better control over your bladder. Sure, it sounds like something you'd learn in a prenatal yoga class, but trust me, Kegels are for everyone. Regularly performing Kegel exercises can help reduce urinary urgency and frequency. To do Kegels, you need to identify the correct muscles first. Start by stopping urine midstream while urinating. These are the muscles you need to target. After pinpointing the right spot, lie down or sit comfortably and contract them for 5 seconds before relaxing for an equal amount of time. Repeat this process at least 10 times in a row. Do this 3 times a day. As your pelvic floor muscles get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration of each contraction and relaxation up to 10 seconds. Just don't overdo it, or your pelvic muscles might end up stronger than your biceps. And that's a weird look at the gym. 6. Medications. If lifestyle changes aren't cutting it, there are medical treatments that might help. And no, it doesn't mean you have to carry a catheter around like an accessory. There are medications like anticholinergics that help calm an overactive bladder. Think of them like a do not disturb sign for your bladder. 7. Hormonal treatments. Your body normally makes a hormone at night called vasopressin, which tells your kidneys to hold on to water while you sleep. Some people don't produce enough of this hormone. That's where meds like desmopressin come in. They help crank up the hormone levels, so your kidneys take a nap too. Sometimes it's not your bladder's fault. Other conditions could be causing your Nocturia. 8. Addressing sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a sneaky one. When you stop breathing during sleep, your body freaks out and produces more urine. Get checked for sleep apnea. Treating it with a CPAP machine could reduce those late-night bathroom runs. 9. Treating prostate issues in men. For the guys out there, an enlarged prostate could be to blame. BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia, squeezes your urethra, making it harder to pee, but making you feel like you need to go more often. There are medications and even surgeries that can help with this. It's not a badge of honor to get up 5 times a night, fellas. 10. Herbal remedies. Now, if you're more into the natural side of things, there are some remedies that may help. Some studies show that herbs like saw palmetto or pumpkin seed extract may help with bladder control. Just make sure to talk to your doc before going all in on these. You don't want to turn your kitchen into a medieval pharmacist. 11th, supplements for bladder health. Supplements like magnesium and vitamin D may also help with bladder function. They're not miracle pills, but they might give your bladder a little boost. 12. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health and can help alleviate frequent urination at night. Being overweight can put extra pressure on the bladder, causing it to become irritated and sensitive, leading to more trips to the bathroom. To maintain a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains while limiting processed foods and sugary drinks. Regular exercise, as we discussed earlier, is also essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Exercise burns calories and improves bladder control by strengthening pelvic muscles. 13. Maintain a regular sleep pattern and create a comfortable sleeping environment. Maintaining a recurring sleep pattern is an effective way to stop frequent urination at night. Going to bed and waking up at a stipulated time helps regulate your body's natural rhythms, including bladder function. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and stick to your routine, even on weekends. Another critical step in reducing nighttime bathroom trips is creating a comfortable sleeping environment. These measures include using supportive pillows, investing in high-quality bedding, and keeping your bedroom cool and dark. If the problem persists after trying all the measures we discussed earlier, you may have to consult your healthcare provider and treat underlying medical conditions. Medical conditions such as urinary tract infections, bladder prolapse, prostate enlargement in men, diabetes, or kidney disease can cause frequent urination. If left untreated, these conditions can lead to severe health problems. Therefore, you should seek medical attention if you continue experiencing nighttime urination despite making lifestyle changes. Your healthcare provider will conduct a physical examination and run tests like urine analysis or blood tests to identify any underlying medical condition. Based on your diagnosis, they may suggest medications or recommend further treatment options to help alleviate your symptoms and improve your overall health. Remember that early detection and treatment of any underlying medical condition are vital to managing frequent urination at night. All right, night warriors, it's time to say goodbye to Nocturia and hello to blissful, uninterrupted sleep. Remember, managing Nocturia takes time, a bit of effort, and possibly cutting back on your late-night wine and nachos. But your bladder and your sleep cycle will thank you. Now go forth and pee less. And hey, if all else fails, maybe just invest in a comfy pair of slippers for those nightly trips to the bathroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more health videos. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on Nocturia, causes and symptoms, how to stop frequent urination at night. See you next time.